And after all of that, it's like them never get enough. Them kick him out, basically abandon him to a family. Take him off a will. He not trust fund anymore. Nothing. He become a peasant like me. And then a little time I could have get 1 and 2 times could have see my daughter that stop again because he start blackmailing me too. Because he want money, not have anything no more. Remember, as an uptown youth, you don't know what is life being broke. You don't know what is life like in the inner city.
Well, at least you have your daughter again. So, your story and well.
Savage, to be honest. I don't know how much me can thank you. Or when me can stop thank you. But what you mean the story end well? You never really tell me why you help me. When you say you don't want nothing in return, why you help me?
Daddy, come play with me.
Come in, Roxy. Which game you want to play?
I don't see.
Perfect.
Daddy,
Roxanne, in your room, close the door. No.
okay, Daddy.
Roxanne? Roxanne? Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Roxanne?
Don't leave her like that. You see me? At least hear what she have to say. You see me? I say. I don't know you the man they make mistake. So, but we hear what them are going to read. We know it hard enough, but we at least find out what happened. Then we can get a better understanding and see how we can tackle this thing.
Little girl. I need to talk to you. Tiffany, why you think you needed for shit on your uncle for $12 million? $12 million US. What you think I gonna do with that?
I want you to understand that I didn't do this for me. Yes, I was hurt. I was really hurt when I found out that you deceived me. That all of you guys deceived me. But I did this for you, Mom.
For me?
That man took away the thing you loved the most. And all of that for what, Mommy? For control? I couldn't just sit around and look at him just destroying your life like that. And even more so now when he realized that I'm not his child. I had to do something about it. And that is why I decided to go this way. So I didn't mean to put you in this position or I didn't want you to be a suspect, Mom. I just wanted to get that money so I could give it to you.
The wrong way, Tiffany. You go about everything the wrong way. You put yourself at risk. You should have come to me. I understand that I hurt you. I understand I did some things that I'm trying my best to make it right for you. But this is wrong, Tiffany. This is wrong.
I'm sorry. Mommy, I'm really sorry.
So this this thing gone too far and for it turn back, you know. You see? She are going a problem. You are going a problem. So I better just finish this.